It's been more than 2 months after COVID-19 became global pandemic. Most of the countries are in lockdown and people are struggling in this situation. But now, few countries are removing lockdown to maintain the economy, otherwise, many people will die in hunger. The only solution for this is finding medicine or vaccine as soon as possible for COVID 19. In that process, few countries claims they already found vaccine or antidote for COVID 19. So, to know whether it's true or not, if it is true, then how it will work against COVID 19, please subscribe my channel and press that notification bell button to notify whenever I post new video. World Health Organization (WHO) plays an important role in identifying, analyzing, supporting and educating the people around the world about health and diseases. They analyze every breakthrough in the current situation and update us if it is true. In the other side, Food and Drug Administration (FDA) provides guidelines to pharmaceutical companies to maintain the efficacy, potency and quality of all medicines. Any new drug that enters market has to be approved by FDA. They will check all the documents about that medicine before approving it into the market to treat any disease condition. In case of COVID-19 virus, no one found any new medicine to treat the condition, and so FDA approved already available antiviral drugs to treat COVID-19 as a part of clinical trials. FDA approved few drugs to treat COVID-19 under emergency clinical trials. They are hydroxychloroquine, which is an anti-malarial drug; Kaletra, which is a combination of lopinavir and ritonavir antiretroviral drugs used in the treatment of HIV; Remdesivir, which is an antiviral drug; and finally, interferon beta 1A. To know more about these medicines, check the description for video link. This emergency clinical trials occurs at different countries of the world. Different people around the world with COVID-19 are treated with these drugs and their sensitivity toward these drugs noted and documented. Further, those documents are submitted to FDA and WHO for analyzing more about the effectiveness of the drug. In this way, recently FDA approved Remdesivir as an emergency medicine to treat COVID-19. Since virus lives inside our healthy cells, it is difficult to treat the condition, and so everyone is rushing towards vaccine to prevent this condition. Globally, more than 80 groups are trying to create COVID-19 vaccine and more than 100 vaccines are under clinical trials. Generally, vaccine is nothing but a part of pathogen itself. Whenever any foreign substance like virus, bacteria, etc. enter human body, our immune system will identify that and produce antibodies to kill them. If our immune system is strong, then the process will be quick. It will defeat these pathogens easily and will save it in memory to face same situation in the future. If the same pathogen enters body second time, immune system with previous memory will attack the pathogen more vigorously. So what scientists generally do is they will identify part of the pathogen which can stimulate immune system in the body, and it's called as an antigen. This antigen will be injected to humans for stimulating and preparing immune system for any attack from the same pathogen in future. This vaccine will be only capable of stimulating immune system. They won't cause any disease condition to the body. WHO says it will take more than 12 months to find an effective vaccine for COVID-19 because it involves various steps in it. Scientists have to study about this COVID-19 virus completely to find out which is the antigen part in it, and they have to reduce the virulence of the virus. After this step, they have to isolate the antigen and have to perform various methods in the lab. Once all of this is done, if they are ready with the effective antigen, then they will try it on the animals like rat, rabbit, mice, etc. Based on the response produced from the animals, They will decide whether the vaccine is effective to try on humans or not. Once they find out the effectiveness of the isolated antigen, such as vaccine, is producing enough antibodies in animals to neutralize this COVID-19, then they will enter phase trials. There will be 4 phases. Phase 1 trial, where only few individuals are selected for checking the effectiveness of the vaccine. Phase 2 trial, side effects and adverse effects of the vaccine will be studied in this stage. Phase 3 trial, vaccine is tested on more number of people for better understanding. Phase 4 trial, vaccine will be mass produced and will be released into the market, and few teams will collect data about this vaccine for a year after release. Thankfully, few COVID-19 vaccines reached phase 1 trial after all laboratory tests and after checking it on the animals. Reports say few vaccines in history failed awfully in phase 1 and few were stopped at phase 2 because of adverse effect. Since vaccine is nothing but a part of the pathogen, each and every study is important, and that's why WHO said it will take more than 12 months to create effective vaccine. In this case, countries like Italy and Israel claims they found vaccine and antidote for COVID-19. Italy scientists claims that their vaccine is effective in neutralizing COVID-19 in humans. According to tests conducted at Spallanzani Hospital in Rome on mice have generated antibodies that works on human cells. They said the antibodies produced in the mice were capable of absorbing and neutralizing COVID-19 in human body without harming human cells. They said with this advanced method, human trials such as phase 1 are expected to start after this summer. As of now, Oxford University team is ahead than other groups in vaccine production. They finished all animal trials and entered human phase 1 trial. They said they tested it on monkeys and the results are effective. In the other hand, Israel is claiming that they found antidote for COVID-19. Scientists of Israel said they found monoclonal antibodies that will neutralize COVID-19 virus in human body. Like I said, antibodies are created by immune cells in the body to identify and neutralize antigens or pathogen like bacteria or virus. Billions of antibodies are released by immune cells to kill the pathogens. They all will search for the pathogen. If any one finds it, it will attach to it and send signals to other immune cells to destroy that specific cell. In this way, all kind of hidden virus can be destroyed. Monoclonal antibodies are specific to one antigen and these are produced in the lab. Scientists will design these monoclonal antibodies for targeting specific type of antigen. This way, COVID-19 virus can be easily identified and destroyed by immune cells. Israel Defense Minister said they applied it for patent rights. Once the process is done, the antidote will be available for treating COVID-19. Hope we get medicine and vaccine for this COVID-19 as soon as possible. As of now, stay in, stay safe and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video.